Photo Workshop is a school for photography and also a photography resource center. The intentions of establishing this space was to promote the practice, firstly in communities that were in the margins of the apartheid South Africa, but also to begin to prepare a new type of photographer that South Africa, which was going through its own political change from apartheid to freedom and democracy, we've become to realize that photography education is beyond just the making of images. It goes deeper into the understanding of issues of representation in relation to us as human in our human evolution. We realize that with the borders becoming virtual, access to global practice is becoming much more democratic. Access to education in this regard as a human right becoming much more democratic.
Répondre à l'appel à projet de l'Institut français, donc pour le programme Africa 2020, c'était pour l'école de la photographie d'Arles, enfin trouver l'occasion de travailler avec le Market Photo Workshop de Johannesburg, qui a pour objectif de créer une plateforme en fait d'échange et d'échange d'expériences, de bonnes pratiques et de résidence entre des artistes enseignants de nos deux écoles, mais aussi du réseau des centres de formation de photographie en Afrique, duquel le Market Photo Workshop fait partie.